Yo, what is up everybody? I'm back here with another video. I know it's been a long time since I've been recording and all of that, but today we're gonna take an exhaust that I've been having in my backyard for like a year or something to put on my Integra, and I'll show you guys right now. It's just been sitting here for so long. Came off of a CRX and I got it for free. It's a Grady exhaust, and we're gonna see if they can modify it and make it fit my car. And probably need some new hangers too. Alright guys, we're on the way to the exhaust shop and I'll see you guys there. Alright y'all, it's the next day. I know I said I was gonna record at the exhaust shop, but I talked to them. They said they didn't have time for me yesterday, so and they told me to come back today to do the exhaust. So I'll see you guys there, and hopefully I can get some clips of him installing the exhaust when it's put on. I'll see you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, it's all done. Let's see how it sounds. Sheesh. It's real quiet. Alright guys, I just got back home, parked the Integra, and I'll show you guys well, I'll give you guys a couple revs and show you how it sounds. Alright, that's how it sounds. I think it sounds way cleaner than before. I guess Benier's just he said he's gonna put in a new test pipe gasket or something like that, or exhaust gasket, and replace the bolts on his test pipe. I think he said while he was driving on the freeway or something, his bolts came out of the test pipe.
We got the gasket right here.
Oh, yeah, we got the copper gasket.
Copper gasket. You know you gotta keep that locked tight.
Oh yeah. Lock tight. He needs that so his freaking bolt won't come off again. But did it come off or it got loose?
It came off.
All of it?
No, I just two bolts that was holding up the triangular gasket where my test pipe was. That shit fucking fell off.
Few
when I was
little
smashing.
bolts and gaskets and shit.
Whatever.
I already know that when that shit fall off, it do get hella loud.
Yeah.
Cause one time my Cadillac converter started dropping too.
Oh, yeah.
Two of my bolts fell out and that shit just hit the ground, started scraping.
What the hell?
Yeah, it was hella low too, so I had to just drive it home and shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, when I was when I first put on the exhaust, yeah, I drove off and then my car scraped and then the bung on the test pipe came off, the screw or whatever. The bung came out and then I had to drive back and made him weld it.
O2 bung.
Yeah, the O2 bung on the test pipe. It got hecka loud. I got hecka scared. I thought the whole pipe came off. Can't wait till you get coilovers.
I know.
True hurts.
They got everything right. Damn, 432 bucks?
Yep.
That's hella cheap, nigga.
Yeah, but that one doesn't have the top hat. You have to get that one.
Yeah, sorry guys for saying that word, you know. You know. I'm black and Cambodian, so it's all good. What was that car we seen the other day there? Yeah, was that an S2000?
Yeah.
Yeah, nigga. That shit had a small ass spoiler on it.
Oh, yeah.
It was hella funny.
It was that toy one. A lot of people be putting that.
She was bad though. She was bad. She started lifting this shit. I was like,
Oh, it was the girl driving it?
yeah, I'm like,
What was she?
maybe? She was probably like fucking, I don't know, white or some shit. White, I don't know. She was cool though. If you watch the channel, holla at me.
What color was the car?
What color was that shit? It was blue right there?
Yeah,
It
blue.
was blue. Good condition. I'll
Has to
drive
be.
it way better.
Damn.
What the hell, man?
But I don't know if I should get wheels first or like get a paint job. What should I do?
I mean, the GSR blade's already hella cool.
Yeah, but I don't know. I just want something with better fitment, like aftermarket. But I don't know if I should just get a paint job first.
But the paint job hella cool too. I like that color.
Yeah.
That's a nice original color. But it would look nice with some new rims lowered and shit.
Yeah. It'll have like, cause I know what specs to get too. It'll make it have like flush fitment.
Start looking into some shit. What kind you thinking about getting?
Some reps for now.
Hell.
Cause I don't want to pay like
Yeah, hell yeah.
more than $1,000 for just the rims and not what the tire.
Yeah, fuck all that, but that should be hella expensive.
I mean, if I had a different car, like well, if I had a job and everything,
Yeah.
and like a crazy car or like a newer Subaru or I don't know, Civic or this type of Civic, I would try to like make it look clean and.
If I had this type of Civic, I wouldn't do shit to it. I'll just make it a sleeper. Just put turbo on it right away.
Yeah.
And then they wouldn't expect nothing. Need any coilover jobs or any bolt-on things? Come over here. We got you for the right price.
Yep, for real. We need some extra shmoney.
Y'all bring your 4-cylinder. I bet you I got you. I don't care.
He don't care. He don't care. What if you get gassed?
I cry. I cry. If I get gas, bro, I'm gonna cry.
But I think if I had your car, the first thing I'd do is fix your suspension.
Yeah.
Get new suspension. Because I feel like that thing is too bouncy or something.
Yeah.
But right.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do first anyways. 'Cause I just haven't had no money like that yet.
Yeah.
So.
Nah, first you gotta fix that fuel stuff.
Yeah, bro. Really first, you know.
Yeah.
That shit really ain't shit.
Mhm.
That's the main thing, and then the suspension next.
Yeah.
For sure.
You just gotta take care of the stuff that you actually really
And if
need.
my shit would have never got towed, I would have never got this fuel leak. I would have been had suspension, bro.
Yeah.
I was gonna been order it, but then hella shit started happening.
Oh yeah, his Boo Boo's car got towed.
I'm like, bro.
How much do you have to pay to get it?
$425.
What the? I thought it was gonna be like
Y'all better
200.
never park at a McDonald's.
If you had like money, what other car would you buy?
Next car I'm get is probably like one of these, maybe
HN?
2-door.
2-door?
Yeah, maybe a 2-door one.
Yeah. I like 4-doors.
Or like
to be honest.
like
Well, that's just me.
02 Corvette, stick shifts.
Mhm.
That shit fly too.
Yeah.
Y'all see the test pipe right here? He gonna add some more bolts in because they fell off on the freeway earlier. So just add some more bolts and Loctite. Make sure you keep your test pipe extra tight. You don't want to run into these problems.
For real, mostly on the freeway.
Hell yeah. New copper gasket. Sorry guys, it's hella dark under here.
Alright y'all, he's done. You don't feel no air leaking or anything.
Sounds even louder coming from the back now.
You think so?
Wow, it's like really sealed up.
Yeah. It's better. Want to hear my cold start? No, I'm just kidding.
Go ahead, start it up.
Alright, he about to go get his keys, guys. We're gonna get a cold start going on this thing with the new Gretty exhaust. Naren's car all ready to go. Test pipe all tightened.
My shit sounding clean.
It's more quiet.
Sounds way better though.
Sounds cleaner. Like it doesn't sound like, I don't know. I just can't explain it. It sounds better. I just like how quiet it is. Not too loud.
It don't make you raggedy.
That thing was
Hell yeah.
too nasty. Sounded nasty. It's cold. Okay guys, I'm not exactly done with the exhaust yet. I had to buy a new flange because when the guy installed my exhaust, he had to use the old flange that had the smaller piping onto the cat, so I had to buy one and then make him weld it on to the new exhaust, and it's gonna be a true 2.5-inch exhaust. So I'll see you guys when I'm at the exhaust shop or when it's all done. Okay, I'll see you guys after. Alright guys, that's the end of that video. long story short, couldn't get my flange installed because they said I didn't have my cat on, so I couldn't do it, and he wouldn't touch my car even though he did my exhaust, which I don't get, but it's whatever. Maybe next time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.